Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to introduce about another video that's also its name is a Ptc site. Today I am going to back talking about the different Ptc site. So we should back the screen. Okay, we will go to the screen and I will learn about the different Ptc site, what is legit and still now working. Okay, we are going to skill. You can see the site. This site name is Scarlet Clicks. You can see the Scarlet Clicks icon. How do we work here? You can see the icon home, advertisement, viewers, earn more, login, register, support, forum. So you should first register here. Now I am clicking the register here. So you can see the form. Here is a full name, month, day, year, username, password. Payment account, pair, Bitcoin, net lot, Skrill, Air Team, Litecoin, Dash. Also input email address, confirm email address, confirm password, image verification, term service. Just tick the box. I have read and agree abide by the Scarlet Clicks rules. Then click the registered button. It will confirm your account. Go to your mail and verify your account. I have an account, so I am going to log in here. Okay, I am logging my account and explain how do you work here. You can see your logging form, username, password that was automatic generate, and I am verified the humanity captcha B7CM8. Okay, now click the login. It's loading. You can see welcome back my username. You can see the interface of the site. This site name is Scarlet Clicks. I am going to explain here. Today I am not entered this site, so I am going to explain how do you work here. Firstly, you register here, then you get verified your email and log in your account. You can see this form. How do we work or earn from here? You can earn here money about view the ads, view ads. Now I am clicking the view ads. Okay, you will see you have viewed 0 advertisement today. That means I did not view any ads today. So I am going to click one ads. Okay, I am clicking one ads. You can see it is loading. This is the ad. Look here, the pole is becoming light blue. After fill up the bar, you can see 5 images. Here you can see the 6 images. So click the upside down picture. Which picture is upside down? It is not. It is upside down picture. Now I am clicking the upside down picture. Okay. Thank for watching, and also showing a tick mark. Then we will cut the window. You can see this ad is showing lightless. Okay, we will go to the another ads. It is working same. Looking here, the bar is becoming light blue, and same the previous ads. Once we click rightly, you can see this image is upside down picture. Okay, we'll click here. Thanks for watching. Then we close the windows. This is also becoming gray, not light. I click the third view ads. It is working. Please wait for next explanation. You can see here the upside down picture. Click here and close the window. Now I am explain another option. Okay, going to my account. You can see the balance here. 0.20 cent. Purchase balance 0, pending withdrawal 0, payment receipt 167. That means I will receive $167 from here, and I am earned so far $546.11. How is it possible? Mainly you work here 5 ad. You view 5 ads and also you can see the direct referral. I generate 17 direct referral from various countries on the world. You can see here, and I earned from her or he a commission. You can see here the chart. Okay, here you can see the promotion tools. Okay, we click now the promotion tools. You can see the banner. This site is online since 2009. Scarlet online since 2009. It elite sites and 20 minimum online since 2002. Second banner. You can see the banner Scarlet click sales banner. You can input the HTML coding. This is the HTML coding from this banner. It is you should copy this coding and input your website or another third-party website for promotion your link and get direct referral. Okay, I am killing the third banner. You can see here is a third banner is not showing. Okay, I will kill another banner 4 an elite site. You can see the your promotional link here. You can promote it directly by mail, Facebook, Twitter, etc. I am going to click the banner 5. You can see that I already have earned $730. $713. You can see I earn here from here. You can also rent referral. You can rent 5 referral with the cost of 75 cents. But this is not a proper way to earn money from the Scarlet clicks. You should promote your direct referral link and generate or make downline for direct referral. You can also work from here PTSU, pay to sign up. You can see here is some ads that you can work here and earn extra commission. This is the ad, that's the nearbox, the cake of Ptc sites, and it cost is 50 cent. Now we are going to click the site to see the rules of work. We can say visit this website and complete the sign up process. The buyer's direction here. Neobox is the oldest and more solid Ptc out of the online and paying installed since 2008, has several ways to earn besides clicking ads like mini job, survey, games, offers, ad price that can give you a small or very big price like $15 or a golden account. Happen excellent income from your direct referral, especially if you have a golden account, and you can earn all the income from your direct and referral just by clicking your 4 orange ads that will take you between 1 or 2 minutes a day. Instruction to earn the 0.50 cent register a new box with the link above. This link. Them take all the time you need and click a total of 140 orange sets. You should click about total 150 orange sets. Blue and green ads also count for the offer, but they are not so common. Click send here when you have finished the instruction. You are close to finish it. If you just click send here the same day you register, you will not have enough time to finish the instruction, and I will have to reject your sins after you have clicked send. I have a limited time to approve or reject you. So you can earn here from various way. You can also exchange your traffic for your website. I am showing here. We can also start traffic with surfing. Your website will promote it here. This is the best site for pay-to-click ads. It is online. It is total paid. Total paid. You can see the total paid amount and total member here. This is the best site of the Ptc site. Sam admin of GPT Planet and Scarlet Clicks, and also other site I will explain you for the next video. This is the best site for earn money online, free, no investment, no hard work, no scam. So you should hurry up and join here. You can also the promotional link below the description box in my video. Thank you for staying me and very much. If you feel good this video, you can subscribe me. Thank you so much.